never had a locker. I just keep my stuff in stupid mansions.
Can I finger you?
Oh my god, Gail, what happened?
I just found out I'm part of the downsizing you announced.
Oh no!
So, your internet, is it slow?
Wow, that patient next door is...
Fuck!
Go away, Mr. Herbert!
It's not me. I'm in your closet.
Oh my god, so Grandma Hebrewberg is actually Jewish?
Yes, when she moved to America, her family changed their name. It was originally...
Hebrewberg money grabber.
Well, actually, I think we need it for more than an hour. Or do we, right, Lois?
I do not last very long.
Out! What? Your ball was long.
Are you shitting me? That thing
Was in! You're gonna penalize us
because you're a blind fucking blue jacket piece of shit!
Thanks for watching Family Guy Corps. Comment what's next.